Hey everyone, welcome back to Basmanstudio. In this video we're going to talk about sketchbooks. Sketchbooks, who needs them? We all do. As artists you should carry one around, almost all the time because you never know when an idea is going to hit you, even if it's a small sketchbook. Over the years I've accumulated a lot of sketchbooks. They go very quickly and they're great for writing down any idea you may have. Sometimes you're stuck on an idea and suddenly, revelation hits you and you just want to write it down. So it's always great to carry around because you just never know. So I'm here to show you some of examples of my sketchbooks, just a few of them, and show you also how an idea goes from a very rough sketch to a finished product, such as my prints or paintings. They start very, very roughly. Like just a very quick idea, and then they develop into something finished later on. So sit back and relax, and thanks for tuning in again, and let me show you what I have. So here are some examples of my sketchbooks. Some are very small, some are very large, some are medium sized. They always come in various sizes. You have to find the one that suits your needs. So whatever size you'd want to draw. So you can see that some of my sketches are more finished than others. Some are just idea sketches. Sometimes ideas come to me and they never really, it's not like everything gets made. They're just quick ideas that I have at the moment. And some are watercolor sketchbooks, as you can see on the right. So I also consider them sketchbooks because they're very quickly done. And you could see that these drawings were done of people on the train, something I like also doing sometimes just to keep in practice. And here's a rough sketch of a mural that I created. So it came from this sketch to that mural. So you could see how one idea starts and turns into something very finished. And here's another sketchbook with many thumbnail sketches. And as I said, some ideas, as I mentioned, never get done because they start out as an idea and they never actually materialize. And here are some drawings I did of in Puerto Rico. So they are very quick watercolor drawings. I consider them sketches because they're done very fast. Such as this book, which is from my the time I lived in Astoria. So you have I used to take the sketchbook to Astoria Park and do a lot of quick watercolor drawings. Sometimes I would do watercolor drawings before a finished painting, just to warm up. So I would start a watercolor, then start a oil painting right after. Such as this one. This was a rough thumbnail for a painting I did of Hell's Gate Bridge, which turned into a finished oil painting. And this is my recent sketchbook with thumbnail sketches. This is how I figure out how to create compositions, how to place objects and people, how to see if it works in the sketch. These are things that you have to work out on roughly in the beginning before you actually start anything large. And pen and ink is one of my favorite mediums for sketching. So lately I've been using a fountain pen, which is great. And here are more subway sketches. So something I like doing. And mixed in with those are some very rough idea sketches and more subway sketches, you can see. So these size books are great for carrying around. And that's the idea for my mermaid lithograph. So it started as a rough sketch and wound up being a very finished lithograph, a very large finished lithograph that I created. And here's some more drawings in one of my sketchbooks of people on the train. And you can see they come in various sizes. Moleskin sketchbooks are my favorite. But of course you could find any sketchbooks that suit your need. So just find something that's comfortable for you. And this is my smallest sketchbook. So you can see they come in various sizes. So there you have it. I hope it inspired you to go out and run and buy yourself a sketchbook. Remember, it's very important. And you just never know, like I said before, when an idea would hit you. So no matter what it is, it doesn't have to be expensive, as long as it's something where you could draw out an idea. So keep it handy. And again, I thank you very much for watching. And remember, any questions you may have for me, you could leave it in the comments section, or any comments you may have, leave it in the comments section. And remember to subscribe to my channel, Basmanstudio. Thank you very much and have an amazing day, everyone. Happy painting and drawing.